afternoon, everybody. In a previous life as a general practitioner, I was very conscious of how important good hearing is and how isolating it can become if you don't hear well. I've got to know Mo and his team over the last 6 years. When I first got hearing aids 6 years ago, they were very helpful. Time went by and I realised at the end of last year that I really needed to update things. I had heard about these wonderful new hearing aids that sit in your ear canal and they change every 3 months. And I thought, how wonderful. Like taking them on and off, no cleaning, no batteries. However, although I tried them for a couple of months, my ear canals didn't suit the hearing aids. However, Mo and his team were not disheartened or put off, very patient, and they made sure that I ended up with just the right kind of hearing aid, a more modern version of the older ones. Small, easily fitted, looked after, and rechargeable batteries, which is good. They also connect to my phone and I can change the settings or the volumes, and when it rings in my ears and the conversation is in my ears, not on the phone at a distance, so it's great. It's been wonderful to have the association with Mo and his team because as an independent group they have access to all sorts of different kinds of hearing aids, so you're not limited to one brand and one company, and we ended up with getting just the right one for me, and I'm wrapped. So thank you very much, Mo. I really am very happy with your team and have enjoyed the journey that we've made. So thank you.